about, and I want to emphasize something that I always emphasize in a global picture, which is called the elevation and the rising of consciousness, which is exemplified by that picture in your chart. That's enhanced standing tree meditation. Later on today, I'm going to be teaching you a very potent, somewhat secret. There's, some people who know, there's not many who know, exercise to really cause your energy to rocket ship. One of the ways to begin to quiet mental noise, whether it is coming in the form of anger or anxiety or depression or whatever, is to move the energy. So this is a very easy exercise, almost anybody can do, to start moving the energy. Now, we're going to go from movement, external movement, to a physically still practice. And then we're going to put our focus on the internal chi movement, blood movement, breath change that we feel and we experience. So what I'm going to do, and you can watch me, and then once you understand it, you can do it yourself. I'm going to just let this unwind. I'm going to bend my knees and grip the floor with my feet a little bit. I want to have my armpits open slightly, like I'm holding an egg or a little tennis ball in there. And this is a standing tree meditation or a standing Buji posture. I'm now going to go to my left side. So my left elbow is going to be doing the reaching first. You don't ever want to do this, you see. You have no power and no balance, just reaching way over here. So you reach, go with your elbow, and the same direction your elbow is going, lean that way a little. With your stance, lean that way. Then get that energy. Now, if you try to pull with just your arm from here, it's not going to be strong enough. Use your whole body. Move the body to the right.